Hey there, fabulous ladies. If you've been on the hunt for the perfect hair upgrade, then you come to the right place. Let's talk about HD lace from wigs, the game changers for our beautiful black queens out there. These human hair pre-plucked wigs are here to slay and take your look to a whole new level. First thing first, let's break it down. What exactly is an HD lace from wig? Well, HD stands for high definition, and trust me, it's as clear as crystal. The lace used in these wigs is so thin and transparent that it practically vanishes against your scalp. That means no more worrying about wig lines or awkward glances from people trying to figure out if it's your real hair or not. Now, let's talk about this magic of pre-plucked. Picture this. You know that daunting task of plucking your eyebrows to perfection. Well, someone went ahead and did that for your wig. With pre-plucked wigs, the hairline already looks natural and on fleek. All you gotta do is put it on and work it, girl. HD lace front wigs have been a game changer, especially for black women. They blend flawlessly with our beautiful melanin-rich skin, giving us that flawless finish we've always dreamed of. Whether you're going for a sleek and straight look, luscious curls, or a sassy afro, these wigs got your back. And let's not forget the versatility factor. With HG lace from wigs, you can experiment with different styles without worrying about damaging your natural hair. It's like having a hair salon on your head 24/7. Switch up your look as often as you like. No commitments necessary. But hey, let's keep it real here. Quality matters. Not all wigs are created equal, sis. When you on the market for a HD lace front wig, make sure you're investing in 100% human hair. This ensures that your wig looks natural, feels fabulous, and lasts longer. One more thing to consider is the density. Remember, you want your wig to look natural and not too wiggy. So choose a density that match your natural hair or the look you're going for. Whether you want a bombshell volume or a laid-back natural look, it's all up to you. Now, you might be thinking, girl, this all sounds amazing, but how do I put it on? No worries, honey. Applying an HD lace front wig is easier than ever. You can use some wig adhesive or tape to secure in place, and voila, you're ready to rock the world with your fabulous new hairstyle. Oh, and before I forget, maintenance is key. Treat your HD lace from wig with love and care, just like you do with your natural hair. Regularly wash, condition, and style it to keep it looking fly and fierce. In conclusion, HD lace front wigs are godsend for black women looking to stay their hair game effortlessly. They give you that natural, seamless look you always wanted, and with pre-plucked hairlines, you'll be turning heads left and right. So if you really to level up your hair game, go ahead and give these wigs a try. Embrace your beauty, embrace your style, and embrace the confidence that comes with knowing you look absolutely stunning. You go, queen. Rock that HG lace from wig like the fabulous diva you are.